Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm going to make for you, or I'm going to attempt to make turmeric chicken, which is curry chicken, but I'm going to use turmeric. So, about a pound of chicken parts, but I'm going to dice it, cut it in small pieces. A stock or two of scallion, a spring of thyme, a teaspoon of pimento berries, a small to medium sized onion, chocha optional, about quarter cut and diced, a tablespoon to two of salt, sea salt preferably, and garlic, about 6 garlic cloves, and a tablespoon and a half of dried parsley, and a tablespoon and a half of dried basil, and scotch bonnet pepper, about half for one, and quarter cup of or less of coconut oil preferably for frying. Alright, just strip these off. Just strip off the dead skin and cut the top off. That's one. And the garlic, just kind of, I want it to like an index size. And you can cut it and put it in. And the onion. This is a big onion, so I might just use half. Let's take off this layer only, because this is the strongest layer, they say. And this is turmeric, but because it is so messy, I'm going to prepare it last. So I'm going to go ahead. Alright, let's strip these off the garlic. Alright, just Alright, this is just gonna wash the chicken with about a tablespoon or two of white vinegar and water. Just wash it. Get in between these plates and take out all the muck. I take my skin off. Alrighty. It's thawing a little, so it's a little bit frozen, so it's easy to cut. Alright. So I'm just going to let it finish thaw while it marinates. I always tell me to sharpen my knife, but with sharp knife, never forgives. If it ever dare touch you, that's a cut for sure. But with dull knife, if it touch you, you get forgive. I must mash out a couple of this garlic. I just use here and press it. have a friend who say I want scotch bonnet pepper when him a deal with that. All him hand. See man, pop it off with him hand, take it, break it. No biggie. Alright. Just put these in it. I cut them about 1.5 inches or 2 inches in length. That's how you deal with things when you're dealing with chicken. If it get on the surface, bleach it and clean it before you start carrying it everywhere else in your kitchen. Alright, salt now. We'll start with a tablespoon. Pepper. Pickled pepper. Throw some of this in there. It's white vinegar. Let's allow this to marinate. Sorry. Alright, this is my turmeric. It's gonna yell up my finger, but this is it. Turmeric is like ginger, but it's not. This is ginger, and this is turmeric. This is a signature image of turmeric. Look like a little caterpillar thing. So that's turmeric. It's ginger. Turmeric, and that's what give. This is the turmeric that gives it that yellow signature thing. So alright, what you should do is grate this fine, but I don't have a grater and I don't want to mess up my big grater and stain it up. So what I'm gonna do is mash it, put it between a plastic and mash it fine with a hammer. That way I just take it from the plastic to the pot. It won't mess up anything. So this I'm using about a finger length piece. Nothing here bad, you know. They say this is good for a lot of good things. I don't remember right now, but it's good for bacteria. Say if you have some fungus or something on your skin or in you, like you get some germs or whatever, you can take this. But what I will recommend you do is you cut it up fine and swallow it raw. Don't boil it nor cook it. Just get the real enzyme out of it by eating it raw. And just to make sure I have enough, I'm gonna slice a little bit more because I might not use all of it. Alright, so that's it. Work some magic, you know. Don't close the back because it's gonna burst, so you gotta give it some ventilation when you hit it. Just do like me. So just mash it fine, 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 fine. Alright, so that's good enough. The smell though, it smells like medicine or herb or something. It's strong. This is a tablespoon mashed. So just add this. Mark you, I've never done this before, but a lady from the market told me that all you have to do is just crush the turmeric and put it in and stew it down like just like a regular curry chicken. So I don't even know if I'm gonna like it because I'm not liking the smell of this so far. This smells strong. Alright, I'm gonna treat this just like I would a regular curry. Let's clean up the knife. Alright, so turn the stove on. Put a frying pot for stewing. Put the stove gauge on low, no, medium. I'm gonna watch it because I want to burn this before I add oil. After about 1 minute or 30 seconds, add oil. Look, it's changing the oil. Just burn it for a little while. And take the seasoning off. Just let it cook for a little while. With the regular chicken, I would use 2 tablespoons of curry powder. So I'm gonna put this on the end of it now. So use 2 tablespoons of mash. It's after 2 minutes. Add the basil, parsley, pimento berries, 2 cups of water. Just add it. put your stove gauge on 4, which is medium low, and set your timer for 35 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes. Oh, and keep it covered properly within the time. Keep it covered properly within the time. Get the church. And carrot, if you had carrot, add it like 5 minutes to the end. Alright, this is after 10 minutes. I'm gonna see if I can mash this in. I was just showing it to you, but keep it covered within the time. Not gonna mash so easy. I'll put it in the back. This is 20 minutes in. I'm not a guess. I wonder. It look good though. For turmeric, I think I put a little bit too much oil in it. I put a little bit too much oil in it. You can see it on the top, but it's okay. You use less. I hope this thing here tastes good enough because I'm so hungry. And if you know heat good, I not eat it. That's about 25 minutes. Smell like curry chicken, I must say. Definitely look like curry chicken. It's a bit white, but you can see it's yellow. It's not really white, it's just yellow. Maybe the powder, they had dye to it to make it more. So I kind of like how it looks so far. With the stove still on medium, 4, medium low. It's coming near to the end, so it's 30 minutes now since doing. Well, I can smell the curry for sure. Strange, eh? I can imagine the first man, Indian man, somewhere in India or wherever, or in the Caribbean or wherever, saw the turmeric and said, I wonder if this thing here, and they taste it. I would be so afraid to taste this if I was the first person to know if this is any good. Because number one, the smell is terrible. Not that bad, but it smells like medicine. You know, like how some medicine smell? So it smells that strong medicine smell. And then they say, okay, let me cook it. This is awesome though. Strange. I'm gonna stop using curry powder and use this because it works. It's a curry powder. Although curry powder is, I'm sure they had stuff to it. But I think I saw a documentary once where in India they were making spices and different spices and so forth. You know what I noticed from that documentary? A lot of the spices that I think is processed is like real spice, but it's like for Indian, not the all-purpose, nor the chicken seasoning we use and all them things. Not that, like real spices that Indian people use. 32 minutes. I don't want the water dry out too much, you know. So at this point, you might have to. It's alright, I'm not worry about it. I just make it cook for that. It's okay, I'm not gonna worry about it. Just let it cook. I'm just gonna let it cook for 35 minutes. So in other words, like, oh, you see this, next time you do that, just add the water, cover it, and just leave it, time it, don't open it, don't do anything, and just go and look at it in the 35 minutes and it would be finished. This is 35 minutes now. And the aroma is rising. Oh my goodness, turmeric chicken, I make curry chicken without curry. That's weird. Oh, look at that. I just made curry chicken without curry. Well, turmeric is curry still, but I have a feeling this gonna eat. It's gonna taste nice. Smell good. Alright, I want it to thicken some more, so I'm gonna let it go for like 2 more minutes. Alright, it's sticking. Once it starts to stick, that's a sign it's ready. So that's curry chicken without curry powder. That's awesome. If I had remembered this Irish, I did remember it, but because I was doing turmeric and I wasn't so sure how it was going to come out, that's why. But you can add, dice this, slice it, dice it, add half. You don't want to add plenty, add half of this, and then put it in like 10 minutes near to the end. This finished, I'm going to turn it off. I remove the time stick. I see it splashing all over the place already. So that's it. Thing look nice to me. Can't wait to taste it. It's so amazing. This is so amazing. I can't believe this. So use 2 tablespoons of mashed turmeric. You're ready to serve. So this took around 35 minutes. Let's recap. We peel the turmeric and mash it to get 2 tablespoons. Then we burn it a little with the garlic and the ginger for like a minute, and then we add the oil and let it burn some more for like a minute or 2 with the stoves on medium all this time. And then we add the chicken and let it fry for about a minute, and then flip it and let it fry for about another minute, and then we put the seasoning on top of that and then let it fry, and then we add water and then cover it and let it simmer to this. Serving time. I don't know if you hear my belly grumbling. This look good, don't it? It does. You'll be surprised. I know plenty of y'all gonna try it now that you see it in a video. I don't know if anyone have done it on the famous YouTube. The thing I like, the curry look pretty. Curry have a pretty look. This is the prettiest curry I've ever cooked. Turmeric chicken, which is really curried chicken. Wow, this looks nice. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. Boy, that look good. I can't keep on stressing out. It look good. It smell good too. Well, I'm about to taste it now, so here goes nothing. I'm not nervous because the aroma is there. Well, I can't believe it tastes just like curry. Not even this, not even the little pieces in there have a bitter taste. It is. It's awesome. So clean and nice and pretty. It's natural all the way. I always have a story though. I have one today I never wanted to tell y'all guys, no story. But I was kinda ish upset because they cut my internet. They cut my internet service and I was upset because I was like, I have to pay a reconnection fee. But I didn't. I just paid what I owed. So when I was driving back home, I was wondering what can I do. And it just came to mind, do turmeric chicken. I was like, turmeric chicken? Sometimes when I'm upset, I like to challenge myself, just do something. So I just said, okay, I'm gonna just do it. Because if I was thinking about it, I would. Because here why? Because I've never done it before, I was like, no, I'm not gonna waste my chicken. I don't know if it's gonna come out good or what. But I know because people say it. Everywhere I go and buy the turmeric, they say that's how you do it. Just put it in the pot and stew it down. So I was nervous. So this is to show you that, because I could have said that I've done it before. I could have said that, pretend like I've done it before. But I brought you along my journey. It eats really good. People from now on, I mean, you can use turmeric powder still, but from now on, a straight turmeric root me I use. And I use no butter and half a butter. With the rice smell like butter was in it. This is parboiled rice. And while it was cooking, it smelled like butter was in it. And I didn't put any. I was concerned it was gonna look white, but it don't. Look at that. They have a pretty color. I love the curry already, so this is like a aha moment for me. It is so natural. Keyword Natural. Like when you're biting a piece of fruit or a banana, that's how natural this tastes for cooked food. Wow. It's a pound of chicken. I don't know if I said it. Pound of chicken breast and wing. That I had. Use 2 tablespoons of salt. Or a tablespoon and a half. This is different. Different but familiar. I like it, man. It's so. God, this is really amazing to me right now. I can't believe I just used a root like a ginger root and just made this. Such a tasty meal. I have a video curry chicken and that's doing well. People say this one is going to do well too. God know why he inspired me to do it, so I'll see. I'll know in the future to come. How am I going to benefit from this video? I'm enjoying it, I can't move. I can see why they didn't call this turmeric powder because it's so contrary to the fruit. The fruit smell bitter and all, but when you cook it, it's like it's different. You don't taste that. It tastes like curry chicken. It's weird. This is so weird right now. You wouldn't even know. Look at the color. Color. You know what? To show you that curry powder is natural. It tastes just like curry powder. When I use curry, I don't get that aftertaste that they had preservative or anything in it because I don't think they need to add preservative to curry powder anyways. Curry powder is preservative itself. So yeah, enjoy. You're gonna enjoy this. This must taste nice with curry goat. Imagine if you had this turmeric to the curry goat and the real natural taste of the curry meat with the real natural taste of the turmeric. Oh, it would have make curry goat taste so good. If you're a real Jamaican, you know where I'm at, right? Alright, this is me about to edit turmeric chicken. I just wanted to make this point. It's strange enough, I was driving home and my mind said turmeric chicken. Why my mind said turmeric chicken? Another point I just want to make. Sometimes it's good to just listen to your body because your body always know what it wants. But it's difficult to listen to it. But just try and listen to your body because it tells you what you want. While I'm editing this too again, this is the video, actual video. My mouth, my palate is analyzing what I just ate, and it just have this. My palate just have this feel I've never felt before. I can't explain it. It just feel. Let me think about it, and if I think of something. This one is weird. That my saliva is telling me thank you. I've never had something like this before. That's what my saliva is saying in my mouth right now. It's alive right now. It's just alive.